Hi, it's Lee from Gyggo. Wow, you can never go wrong with a visit to New York City. It's one of the most exciting cities in the world. In this video, we're going to show you festivals to attend, places to visit, food to eat, hidden gems, and what to avoid. This amazing city definitely moves to the beat of its own drum. When I'm in New York, I always have my GoPro with me. There are so many people and things to see, and I like to catch it all live. You can check the description below to find the link to the GoPro I enjoy using. The temperature in New York City varies throughout the year. Spring is from March to May, with temperatures ranging from 51 to 71 degrees. Summer is from June through August, with temperatures ranging from 79 to 82. Fall is from September through November, with temperatures from 75 falling to 54 degrees. And winter is from December through February, with temperatures from 42 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. These are averages throughout the year. Make sure you pack for whatever time of year to plan to visit. Cooler clothing in the summer months and layered clothing in wintertime. Footwear is most important in the wintertime with icy and slippery streets. You don't want to fall on your bum. If you like to relax with cannabis, it is legal for adults 21 and older to possess up to 3 ounces of cannabis for personal use. Adults can smoke or vape cannabis wherever smoking tobacco is allowed under the smoke-free air laws. But be aware there are exceptions. Depending on where you're located, New York is a highly walkable city. There are taxis everywhere to take you anywhere you want to go, or you can choose the subway. Before we get to the city, there are things you should be aware of and avoid. There is a newer drug called tranq that has become a big problem in the city, and it is very dangerous. If you find yourself in an area with groups of people in a bent-over position, turn around and hightail it out of there. This drug is no joke and has been known to eat flesh. If you stay in areas that are well populated, New York City is generally safe, but always be cautious of your surroundings. Oh, and be on the lookout for rats. They are everywhere. Another reason to get your GoPro, you may catch a rat enjoying the city life too. Welcome to New York and the 5 boroughs. Manhattan is an island, as is Staten Island. Brooklyn and Queens are located on the western end of Long Island, and the Bronx is the only borough that is part of the main state of New York. There is so much to experience in New York. Throughout the year, there are plenty of festivals and events to keep you busy. For music lovers, Summer Stage is one of New York's most accessible, free, and beloved outdoor performing arts festivals. Located in Central Park and neighborhood parks throughout the 5 boroughs, Summer Stage brings live music to hundreds of thousands of fans with renowned artists as well as rising stars from around the world for your enjoyment. The party begins in June and runs through August in neighborhood parks and from June through October in Central Park. You don't want to miss this opportunity. The Electric Zoo Music Festival takes place over Labor Day weekend. This is a 3-day event that is held at Randall's Island and brings in top performers. You can enjoy a movie in the park, sit on the grass and relax with other New Yorkers while watching a free movie into the evening. You can view these free movies at Brooklyn Bridge Park, which overlooks the Brooklyn Bridge and Manhattan skyline, Bryant Park, and on the aircraft carrier USS Intrepid, as well as other locations. The movies run from Memorial Day weekend through September. The New York Film Festival is held from late September through mid-October. When it comes to other things to do in New York City, there's always a party going on somewhere. You've got Broadway with hit shows, and by the way, if you're in Times Square, check out the red booths that offer discount tickets. Probably your best price. There are the beautiful skyscrapers, Wall Street, but New York City also holds hidden gems for you to discover. Take a walk through Central Park, where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and relax. Stroll through the cobblestone streets of the West Village, where you can enjoy coffee and treats at the cafes or explore at the many boutiques. If you love jazz, make sure to stop by the Blue Note Jazz Club. This club is famous for hosting many jazz artists, including Wynton Marsalis, Stanley Clarke, Take 6, Rita Moreno, and Corinne Bailey Rae. An evening at the Blue Note will be like no other. If you hold out toward the end of the year, there's the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, an iconic event that if you're like me, you've seen on TV. year after year. Keep your eyes to the sky for the giant balloons floating above the streets of Manhattan. And of course, everyone knows about Times Square's New Year's Eve countdown. Just imagine standing in the crowd all day, then watching as the ball drops and the new year begins. There is nothing greater to bring people together for a celebration. A truly one-of-a-kind experience. I know you're thinking, Lee, what about something to eat? Let's talk pizza. New York is known for its pizza, and Joe's Pizza in Greenwich Village is a favorite of locals and returning tourists. For me, Ray's Hits the Spot has never failed to satisfy my pizza cravings, and they're all over Manhattan. If you're looking for more than pizza, the city is full of choices. There is an open-air food market called Smorgasburg that runs from the first weekend in April through the last weekend in October. It's open from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. On Fridays, the market is held at the Oculus at the World Trade Center located at Fulton Street and Church Street. Saturday's market is held in Williamsburg at Marsha P. Johnson State Park, 90 Kent Avenue in Brooklyn, and Sunday's market is held at Prospect Park, Breeze Hill, Brooklyn. This market has hundreds of vendors representing food from around the globe. There is nothing like it. You can spend the day nibbling on anything that suits your fancy. If it's authentic New York you're looking for, you might try Katz's Delicatessen on the Lower East Side. Their piled-high pastrami sandwiches are a sight to behold. For the fine dining experience, Le Bernardin in Midtown offers exquisite seafood dishes and Del Frisco's offers delectable steaks. Other things to keep in mind: New York will not disappoint no matter when you visit. Just know that summertime is hot and humid with lots of tourists and humidity. Fall is truly beautiful when the cooler weather unleashes the changing of the tree leaves to red, orange and gold. Really beautiful. If you love the cold and snow, wintertime will bring a smile to your face and you can build a snowman in Times Square. New York will leave a definite impression as it is filled with so many cultures, music and architectural beauty that can't be denied. Safe journey, fellow travelers. Here's hoping you enjoy your trip to this outstanding destination. Leave a comment below and let us know where you'd like to see us go next. I'm Lee. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you go, go Gyggo!